Okay, we're in zombie apocalypse. Last time we got a goofy base. We got only bars. But this morning, got a creeper blew up before the recording. So that's why this is grass. I can't find the original blocks, but okay. Nuclear bomb! Is it intact? Is the nuclear bomb attack? I mean, okay, I think it's already exploding. It's gonna explode. But this is the armored truck. I literally don't armor it yet, but it's still got a machine gun. Here is the containment zone, full with wee and poo zombies. And an empty sign. Ooh, chest. It's a chest. Ouch. Oh yeah, right. Oh my gosh, it's a drown. It's a drowny. It's a drowny. Don't you dare get a trident. You're so baddy boy. Ew. I'm scared of spiders and creepers. Here's the water tank. This is my truck. With a machine gun that doesn't even work. I don't know why it doesn't work. Oh my gosh. Hello, what's up, in villagers? Maybe some copper for me. I got 16 copper. Out. Okay. Ouch. Now we got 33 pieces, so we need to put here. Yeah, I forgot. We got steak here. It's already night. Swimming pool. So if I swim here the next day, and there's a drowning, I'm gonna be so mad. And I got the Western Army stand. But I keep the golden sword here. Here's gonna be the weapons I don't need. Huh. Now we got to prepare. And it's okay if I die. Okay, subukan mo. Oh my gosh, boom, creepy. Please don't detonate crapper. So I don't get notification there's monsters nearby because I'm underground. There's nobody gonna stop me. I thought this it can't survive an explosions. Crapper! Now I got a bow! Ayo, get away! Get away! Because the arrows was arrows of instant harming. I mean harming. Instant damage. Let me gather up some food. Bam! Puchaw! Ano ba yan? Puchaw! Boom! I don't see if I survived. Actually, no. The creeper will explode. It took me so hard to fix it. A creeper boom boom on that thing, and I need to build it again. I just make it work. The first build was awesome, but what was the second build? Don't you dare sleep on my bed. Dude, don't you dare actually equip the armor. Where are you, dude? Maybe they went to sleep. I thought that was a mouth, Brody. Okay, let's start the fighting. Hunt some food. Duh, died. Donkey. Skeleton. Where are your mama, boy? Also, I forgot to tell you, I got like an upper section here, which I can go up. Yeah, super safe door. But if they like open the door, somehow I will fall down here in the trap door. I don't care, but here's a but maybe these are these. I don't know, it's just wait for night. Now I got pork chop. Yay! What do you mean I'm half a health? What's happening? Okay, let's go back. Oh my gosh, no more zombies yet. Oh my gosh.